Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my review of my beautiful copper sink and tap from Olif. When I first bought my home, I knew that the kitchen would be the first room that I would do because it's so important for eating, drinking and hosting, and of course a huge focal point of the kitchen is the sink. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I look after it, what I think of it and how it fits in the kitchen scheme. So this is a stainless steel sink with a copper finish, which means it's super hard wearing, super durable, and above all looks absolutely gorgeous in my kitchen. I chose a copper finish as I wanted a copper and marble themed kitchen. However, Olif also do factory seconds and lots of other different finishes, including brass and matte black. So there's plenty to choose from if copper isn't your thing as well. I have had loads of fun accessorising the kitchen with lots of different copper and rose gold accessories. It's been really easy to find things that match, and I'm just so pleased with how everything turned out. Now it is also super easy to clean. I just take your usual antibacterial cleaner and a little J-cloth and I spray it all over. I usually do this after every time I finish cooking, and it's really super easy to do. I just wipe it all over, wipe the tap, and sometimes to get it extra shiny I use something more, but most of the time this is just what I do on a daily basis. And you really don't have to worry about it being hard to keep up with. It looks gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching everybody. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more home videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye kittens!